Hey friends, did you know April 1st is brimming with laughter and delightful celebrations? Let's explore 3 fun events and thoughtful gift ideas to make the day unforgettable. There's something for everyone, and these are perfect opportunities to gift someone, even without a special reason. But wait, if these gifts are too late, and you missed out on this opportunity, don't worry. We've got something special for you in 2 weeks, and even more exciting events next month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details, so let's jump in it. First up, it's April Fool's Day. Time to share hilarious pranks and laughter with loved ones. Keep it light-hearted and joyful. No need for pranks that are too tricky. A prank kit or gag items make for a quirky gift. What's the funniest prank you've ever experienced? Let's laugh together in the comments. Next, we honor National Sourdough Bread Day. Dive into the delicious art of sourdough baking. Perfect for bread enthusiasts. A sourdough starter kit or artisan bread tools are amazing gifts to spark creativity in the kitchen. What's your favorite sourdough recipe? Share your baking tips in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more amazing content. And hey, share this video with your friends, they'll thank you later. Finally, it's International Fun at Work Day. Celebrate positivity and laughter in the workplace with bonding activities. A great gift idea could be desk games or quirky office accessories. What's the most fun you've ever had at work? Let's share workplace stories in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, and in one of the next videos, the weekly upcoming events, celebrations of the 3rd April week, and the same days of May, so you will get the right gift ideas early. Thanks for tuning in everyone. We'll see you next time with more exciting celebrations and unique holidays. Stay awesome.